I'm just thinking about the kid at the point, like, because I don't want to just take them from their mama. My nephew's in the way trying to get you off of me. My past is not perfect. I'm going to be honest. I love this shit.
Are you scared or anything? You scared?
No, DJ's.
What is this? You guys have a kid in the back.
We're not no big time.
We were like seconds away from me free.
For these children, the person meant to protect them was the one they feared the most. Behind every moment of silence was intimidation control and emotional terror that no child should ever experience. As officers worked to remove the kids from a presence that had already left lasting scars. This is when police rescue kids from her extremely terrifying mother. The first incident is when police find negligent mom after child left alone for 24 hours.
Ma'am, do me a favor real quick. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Don't
Child
fight.
deprivation. For my son staying the night for one night at the house.
Put your hands behind your back.
What you mean?
It's just hard to do.
Because it's your daughter.
No, it's not like
On November 25th, 2024, officers responded to a report that a 12-year-old child was left home alone for nearly 24 hours, prompting a welfare check and investigation.
Come here. Come this way. Here, come this way.
So, this is my open case with Columbia County. But this child has been home since last night. He's only 12 years old. Mom is still not here.
Okay.
Mom admitted, yes, he stayed at home by himself.
Okay.
And she said he's old enough. He's 12. He's not old enough to stay
Yeah,
home by himself.
not for 24 hours. Yeah.
So,
Officers observed signs the child had been cooking on the stove and note safety concerns related to unsupervised access to household appliances.
no lie when he was not cooking.
and he was
stove on.
So he had the stove on. Grandma's gonna take him, but
Where's mom at?
Oh, she's still not here. She said that she's in Thompson.
Okay.
She's acting very normal.
Okay.
Like this is fine, but
So we just take a warrant out on her for deprivation of a minor then?
please.
Yeah, that works.
Her name is Miss Brittany Bowles.
So who's gonna take the child as far as
Grandma's
grandmother
gonna
is?
take. Yeah, Grandma's
Okay.
gonna take him, and it's
All
gonna
right.
be a no. And we're gonna put in that mom cannot pick him up.
Is this something that happens? Do you stay by yourself all the time? Okay.
Pardon me.
You have any other siblings?
The child confirms he was alone overnight. Officers determined that no adult supervision was present during that time.
Or is it just you?
My sister, but she's staying by her.
Okay. How old's your sister?
She's 3.
3? Okay. She ever leave you with your sister as well? No? Okay. So there's a court, she has custody per the court order?
Well, no. I'm about to do a safety plan.
Okay.
Because this just happened today.
Yeah.
Where she left a minor at home all night by herself. So we're putting in place that she cannot pick him up.
What's her name?
Brittany,
Any of the conditions of the house or anything?
I have not been in the house
Okay.
today. Did you go in the house? Did you see anything?
Child Protective Services procedures are initiated and arrangements are made for the child to stay with his grandmother under a temporary safety plan.
He just came to the door and that's when I told him make sure the stove was off because I smelled, that he was cooking.
What was you cooking?
I was cooking a TV dinner.
On the stove?
No.
Oh, in the stove.
In the oven.
Oh, okay.
You didn't have it still in the box, did you? You know, the issue is really why everybody's here is because she just can't leave you that long. You know what I'm saying? If something was to happen, yeah, you didn't do nothing wrong, but she can't just do that. You know, there's issues and there's laws and things like that. And even if, she was going to leave, maybe if she just said, hey, go stay at your grandmother's, I mean, at least that's something to where you're, not alone by yourself.
Officers explain that leaving a minor unattended for this length of time violates child welfare laws, regardless of perceived maturity.
Pick you up at least.
So when will that be put in place?
I'm
Will it be put in place
I'm gonna
tonight?
do everything tonight. Yeah, I gotta.
So if she goes to her house, because most likely she's going to try to come pick him up tonight. That's what
Yeah.
she already told me.
Okay.
And I already told her that she cannot.
Yeah.
But she told me that she's going to do it anyway.
Okay. Well,
So if
yeah.
Grandma called 911, will it be in the system already so they can pick her up?
I'm trying to think. Where's Meadow Lane run off of?
It's off of Oxford Road.
Okay, that's our. So that's my area. So we'll just listen out for the call if we get a call over there. You got to make sure though. So don't get yourself in trouble. Make sure that you let her know, hey, you can't. And we're going to do everything we have to tonight. We have to do a deprivation because he's home for 24 hours, and then from the sounds of it, she's just saying it's not a big deal. So.
She didn't. She actually it doesn't even sound like she's in the car trying to get here now.
Yeah.
At this point,
The mother insists she will retrieve her child despite being advised not to escalating the situation.
she cannot. Let me just double check.
You know who she would be with in Thompson, or where she would go? Yeah, that's where they said she was in Thompson. Do you know who she would go to, maybe to hang around, or she have a car?
No.
No.
She doesn't have a car.
Okay. How does she normally get around? Does she have people pick her up?
I guess she has a friend to pick
Okay.
her up. Her ex is Sister Thompson, but he's in jail, I think.
Yeah. Best thing to do though is if he does try to communicate, call, because it's still, you don't want to do interference with custody or anything like that, because that's what it could turn into. And we don't want that. She just needs to kind of let it temporarily, see what they say, and then, talk to them and get everything cleared through them first.
And then I need you to sign right here. And please do not hesitate to call the police tonight. Don't even answer the door.
Law enforcement establishes a no-contact directive and instructs caregivers to call police if the mother attempts to intervene.
If she start banging on the door, just call the police. Okay?
That's going to be hard to do now.
What you mean?
It's just hard to do.
Because it's your daughter?
No, it's not my daughter. It's, she was my daughter-in-law at one time.
Yeah. Well, you got to understand too, though, that it's kind of one of those custody things, and they put something in place. And I understand, it is hard to do, but right is right, wrong is wrong too. And she did something wrong, and got to be accountable for it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Can I have you as a witness real quick? I'm going to call, just in case if she...
Okay.
Can I call the other grandma who has the other child?
Okay. Where is that child at?
She's in South Carolina.
Okay.
It's for her.
No, she can't have her back.
You have to get in touch with South Carolina DFACS or...
I am.
Okay.
Hey, Miss Allen.
Hi.
So, Miss Allen, something happened tonight. You're on speakerphone. I want you to I just need witnesses that I'm telling you this, okay? So something happened tonight where... And he is to have no contact with mom. So that means...
Okay.
Who?
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's okay. He's fine. He was cooking.
The mother arrives on scene and disputes the allegations, claiming family members were nearby and checking in.
Good, baby. He's good.
Here, say hello to your grandma so she know you're okay. If you want to still pick her up, Ella has to go somewhere else. But she's to have no contact with Ella from now on.
I understand.
So that's where he'll be safe.
But he's safe, right?
He is safe. We got all his stuff packed. He is safe. He is fine. He got a little charger.
You got the house locked up, right?
Go ahead, go lock up the house.
All right, so I'm not coming down to get her.
No ma'am, no contact.
Thank you.
How long till she gets here is the question.
That's the thing. She didn't tell me. She just said,
Yeah.
they'll not be here. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Okay. Well, can we call her and see where she's at? Ma'am, do me a favor real quick. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Don't
Sound
fight.
deprivation. For my son staying the night for one night at the house.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go work and make some money?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Yeah. Sound deprivation.
Where can we put these bags?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Ma'am, where can we put these
The
bags?
milk and stuff, I believe my fridge where it should go.
Okay. You have a key?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
That's, you locked me up. I mean, you can't get it off of me.
Yes, I can. I can cut it off.
Okay.
Yeah. Come here. Come this way. Here, come this way.
All right, well, I'll see
listen.
y'all in court. That's cool.
Just relax before you go in, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this bag off you, all right? All right, so do we have a key so we can get in and put this stuff inside?
Yeah, there's a key on my keychain.
Okay. Where's your keychain at?
In my purse.
In your purse? Okay. I'm gonna go in here and get it. You have no problem with me going in there getting your key out, right?
It's in the very top zipper.
Okay. All right, which one's the door key? Do you want to take your money with you and all that?
My money's in my purse.
Do you want to leave it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. That way it don't have to go on a card, okay? I'm just gonna... Okay. Yeah, there's food in there. But, I mean, it's not abundance of food, but there is food in there.
Enough for him. Like, you can tell that he probably...
Police secure the residents, document the case, and advise the mother on court procedures and bond eligibility.
Yeah, manageable. Just to let you know, you're being charged with deprivation of a minor. 24 hours. I know he's 12, right? But 24 hours is responsible or not is too long for a child to be alone, even if they're responsible. You know how he's got a bunch of grandparents and things like that?
Exactly.
Make arrangements to try to get them there rather than leaving them by himself, you know. He is responsible, he's mature, but
he knew exactly where I was going.
yeah, but you can't leave him.
And he was also taking care of while I was gone. That made no sense.
Yeah, but you understand what I'm saying? He's by himself for 24 hours. You can't do that.
No, sir, he was not. He was with family at the time. He ended up walking home. He's literally in the neighborhood. There's family that lives there.
They're not there with him, you know, and that wasn't mentioned at all. The only thing is DFAX has their own set of rules.
Everything that they've done is not due diligence whatsoever. It's all just like very
He said he's been at home for 24 hours by himself. He said you left at 10 o'clock last night, and you called him a couple of times. That's what he said.
Yes, sir. And I accidentally actually left my whole hamper of clothes for clean clothes because we had no washer and dryer at the house in the car that dropped me.
Well, for future references, I would just start taking them to people instead of having people check on them, because that's not what he said. He didn't say that either. He's old enough though to he's old enough to comprehend though. You know what I'm saying? Especially if.
What I do, it's just hard getting back and forth.
I got you. But you know, the problem is DFAX doesn't look at it like that. Okay, you know. But I mean, if you have to understand there's guidelines and rules. DFAX is involved to where you know, and I know you might not be happy with them, but right now just work with them so that you can.
I think I'm the only one that's actually has complied with them so far as I can, honestly, and I'm the only one really getting help reaching up to my door for them. Yeah. You know, even when my husband was involved. So, at this point, everything that they've done has been so.
And I know it's not the best situation because the lady who came. The older lady that came to pick him up, she said it would have been hard for her not to open the door. So, you know, it would be hard for her not to open the door if you came to get him. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I mean, one thing though is, like I say, just you can't leave him by himself, you know? I mean, you know that now, that he is responsible, but it's different if he was going to be home for like a couple of hours or something. But, you know...
That was originally, you know, not really the plan.
Yeah, but I mean, if you don't have a car, you know.
Time and transportation is kind of hard.
Yeah, but look at it like this. Make sure he's squared away somewhere, even if it's not at home. Someone that, like another adult, because his phone, he couldn't charge his phone because the cable's broken, so he wasn't able to charge his phone. Yeah, I got you, but, you know, these aren't real, are they? Okay. These aren't real?
No.
Okay, they're plastic. All right. I'll just let them know they're plastic. I mean, so they don't have a fit about them when they go in. So. Yeah, I mean, you should be eligible for a bond. Hopefully, if not tonight, tomorrow. I'm doing all the paperwork tonight, so you're not on probation or nothing like that, are you? You on what?
I was on a call.
Okay. Felony or misdemeanor? Okay. Just had to ask. I mean, I don't know. I don't know you.
I know. I've met you before.
You what?
I've met you before, I think.
Really?
Yeah, you pulled me.
I pulled you over?
Yeah, my brakes went out on me one time really bad on me.
Did I write you a ticket?
Oh, yeah, but...
Did I pull you over in that gas station at Lumpkin? You had the shrooms?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got really lucky.
I did, actually.
Yeah. Did I send it off? I never heard anything back. I do remember you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had that Cadillac. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You said he went to jail.
He's there now.
No, I cut you a break that day.
Yeah, you did.
Well, we didn't have any test kits. I didn't have a test kit, so it's the only thing that saved you.
I didn't even know they were in there.
Yeah, and then one showed up later, so. Yeah, I do remember you. Probably shouldn't have said anything. I wouldn't have remembered. Once you told me, I said, okay, yeah.
The mother was charged with deprivation of a minor after officers determined her child was left unsupervised for nearly 24 hours. Child Protective Services implemented a temporary safety plan, placing the child with a family member while the case proceeds through the court system. Remember, leaving a child unsupervised for extended periods can lead to serious legal consequences regardless of a parent's intent. Child welfare laws prioritize safety standards, not a child's perceived maturity or independence. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. 12 is still a child. Anything could have gone wrong. It doesn't matter if the kid is responsible, the law is the law. This shows how quickly CPS and police step in when safety is questioned. I think this situation was already intense. The BodyCam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming. The next incident is when police rescue 3. kids from a mother far too dangerous to raise them.
It's just not fair. So, as soon as we got to altercating, I did run here.
You scared? Don't worry, you ain't gotta be scared, okay? Everything's good. You good?
On September 26, 2024, police responded to a gas station after a report of two sisters arguing with concerns raised about one sister drinking while caring for her children.
Like, at that time it was like 7 o'clock. I'm like,
You involved in this? Alright, come out here.
It's just us two arguing.
Alright, what's going on?
Okay, so basically, I had came, my grandmother said stay off the exit, what she did imply, like, I came to get my license plate for my car, and then I came to see my nephews. I already told her I was coming to stay the night. I wasn't going to drive back, because I came from Atlanta, so I drove like an hour and 30 minutes to come. So, we already talked about it, we cool, you know, it's no understanding like that, but she does have a problem when it comes to drinking. You know, like, and like, she would say, like, you know, oh, well, I don't drink this much, or I don't drink as much as this, but it gets her to a point to where she's knocked out, and that's what happened. Like, when I walked in, when I knocked on the door, my nephew, my oldest nephew, answered the door.
Have you ever lived with her?
I've lived with her in the past, but it hasn't been, like, recent.
How long ago have you lived with her?
About 2 years ago.
The sister describes a long history of alcohol abuse and mental health concerns, stating she has previously taken on a caregiving role despite being younger.
Years ago? Okay.
So, yeah, so I came here to visit and whatnot, see my nephew, and he answered the door. I go in there, she knocked down, like, nah, I wake up, like, at that time it was like 7 o'clock. I'm like, it's only 7 o'clock. Wake up. Like, they all in here running around. Just get up. Like, what are you knocked out for? And I'm like, you drunk, ain't it? She's like, yeah, I'm drunk. And then she goes to say, yeah, I'm tired. I'm like, cool, but I already know you drunk. I can tell. I've witnessed this for years. Like, I could tell. I've had to chase her down the street. I've had to pick her up. Mind you, I'm only 16, 17. So it's just like, I'm already young doing this, plus taking care of her child. So all of that, cool. So as the time went by,
a verbal argument escalates when the mother wakes up intoxicated and becomes aggressive toward her sister in front of the children.
She cut me off for like a year or so because she's had thoughts in her head of our grandmother being in the ring, and my mom's not really her, our mom's not really her mother, and I'm not really her sister, and so on and so forth. I didn't really, you know, in a way, I was just like, I'm just thinking about the kids at the point, like, because I don't want to just take them from their mama, like, but I know she's mentally, like, it's like a back and forth thing, and I know what she does to cope is to drink. Like, that's her cope, right there. So I'm like, cool, so I come in today, and I'm like, wake up, Naj, whatever the case may be. I'm like, oh, bro, I don't like when you drunk like that, like, and I'm just saying, like, under my breath, I'm not yelling, like, I'm not screaming, nothing like that. She wake up out of her sleep, goes crazy. You gonna take care of no kids, blah, 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 blah. Mind you, I didn't even call the police after jump. I did not, because I wasn't going to.
The physical altercation intensifies. The sister reports being struck spit on and chased while attempting to leave the home.
Bro, just chill. Like, you're yelling at me. First of all, I'm not even yelling. Like, mind you, and then, like, for me to have to act so mature and her to be my big sister, like, what? I'm 22 years old. Like, I don't have no kids, but I've had to raise one, so I know what it's like. Like, I've had to be put through that shit.
So did she put hands on you or anything?
Yeah, okay, so yeah, she started fighting me and whatnot. So that's when it got to that point. Because at that point, you're hitting me. My nephew's in the way trying to hit you, trying to get you off of me and whatnot. They're all seeing this. You just swinging. You're not even seeing where you hitting. Literally, you hit my nephew. I'm like, boom, that's it. I'm coming for leave. Every second I move, she's trying to knock me out. Every second I'm not putting her hands back because I'm not trying to do that. We've done that over the years where I've had to put hands on her. Mind you, I am the younger.
Officers separate the parties and collect statements noting conflicting accounts, but clear signs of intoxication from the mother.
Sister, I am the younger one. I'm the younger one.
Do you have your ID with you?
It's in my car over there.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. I'll get your name and stuff. What's going on?
Me and my sister got a disagreement. Any sister, brother, mother, anything. She got the police involved, but I'm not her girlfriend. If you run her name, it's her and her girlfriend full of felony charges. But you come in my house and you start coming down on me, and I know I've come a long way. My past is not perfect. I'm gonna be honest. I love these kids.
Everybody makes mistakes. Okay.
It's just not fair. So As soon as we got to altercating, I did run here, so that explains how we look like right now. I was just like, okay, all I know is to run, because if I stay there, then I'm definitely gonna catch a charge. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm here, and I had to use the restroom. I didn't feel comfortable in my own house, but it's just not fair because
The mother admits to drinking alcohol that day and confirms her driver's license is suspended, further raising safety concerns.
Y'all live together?
No, she stays in Atlanta. She came up here. I was fine. I was fine.
Does you and your sister normally not talk with each other?
No, we don't altercate a lot. She just came up here. She said she had to get her tag. I told her, okay, get me some wings. If you want to see your nephew, mind you, my oldest son, when I was going through my number, she was basically his parent, but now I can honestly say I'm the primary caregiver for all of us. But when we was homeless back in the day, did she help? Yes, she did. So she said she was gonna come up here, see him, whatever. Shoot, like, that's all.
You have the Georgia ID?
Yes.
Is that the name on the ID?
Yes.
Or do you have a different last name that would be on it?
No. Why?
Because you're not coming back. If you got a Georgia ID, then you should come back with it.
I should. I mean, what does that mean?
That's your actual legal name?
Yes.
Do you know your driver's license number?
No, sir.
Well, you do have a driver's license.
I have an ID. My driver's license is invalid.
Is it suspended?
Yes, I have a breathalyzer in my car, the Intoxilot. I couldn't get it out. I just kept it in during the summer. I didn't trust myself. I'm gonna be honest.
You got a picture of your ID by chance or anything like that?
I don't even have my phone. So.
The sister emphasizes that the primary issue is the children's safety, stating the fight occurred around them and that they were knocked over during the chaos.
Alright, so can you tell me the part where she was hitting you? Like, how did I get to that?
I mean, like, first she was talking and whatnot, and I'm like, all right, just back up. And she right here in my face, spitting on me, all that stuff. Like, just back up, and then she just goes off. I mean, like, she just started swinging and whatnot. And I'm not physically trying to hit her back, but I'm like, bro, like, just get off. Like, you knocking fire from me. Like, busting on my lip. Like, you knocking me out. But at the same time, I'm not thinking about you. I'm thinking about these kids. Yeah. These kids are all running around you. You flopping over them, stepping over them, knocking them over because you trying to. But here's my thing. Like, I'm already thinking about after this. So after this, say she go on with her kids, that's cool. That's why I want her to be safe. I want her to be at peace. But at the same time, I cannot sit and just be like, oh, them kids is straight, or oh, everything's just straight. Because I know how she is when it comes to the alcohol. I know how it is. So therefore, I'm already have to take this to a whole nother matter because she need help. Like, it's not even nothing else about it. I'm not saying she's a great mother. She just need help.
So she woke up, she started talking to you first. And after a while, she got aggressive towards you, correct?
Yes.
Okay. What was the first exact thing she did that was physical, that touched you?
Spit.
She spit in your face?
Yes. Okay. I'm like, bro, just chill, just back up.
She spit in your face. What happened after that?
After that, she just started pushing me, telling me to get out one night.
Did you hit her back at one point?
Yeah, I did defend myself, but I let her hit me a couple times before I even did anything. But it was more like a pushing, like I pushed her on the bed, and I had her on the bed.
I got you.
Officers interview one of the children who confirms witnessing the mother punch the aunt during the argument.
Over here, ma'am.
I chose to come here because I didn't want to physically altercate with her, and that's why I'm here. While I was running away, when she was physically coming at me, she called the police. I told her, okay, do that. But I came here because I know how we get. We are sisters. We've done this our whole lives.
So nothing physical happened? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
A bottle of XXL wine.
A bottle? You finished it yourself?
No. It's still there.
Okay. But you did drink today, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so nothing physical happened, right? Alright, what did she come do over here?
Well, she followed me and called the police.
But what was her business doing at your house?
She bought me some chicken wings and she wanted to see him.
Okay, so she came to see her nephew, correct?
Correct.
And then after that, everything escalated, but nothing physical happened, right?
Yeah, I ran away.
Okay.
When I tried to go to my car, she ran to my car because I really wanted to just sit and chill in my car, and then I ran here.
Okay. You're not in trouble, okay? I just want to talk to you. I just want to ask you some stuff. What did you see? You're not in trouble. You're good. You're not in trouble. You're good. I just wanted to see, because you're telling me different stories. So I wanted to see what you see. I think I believe you more. How old are you?
8.
You're 8? What school do you go to? You don't know what school you go to? What did you see at the apartment?
Nothing.
If you don't want to talk to me, you good, okay? That's your aunt, right?
What?
Your aunt? Is she outside?
Yeah.
Okay. That's your mom? Yeah. Okay. So what all did you see? Did you see her punch or anything?
Yeah.
Who punched who?
The teeth.
The teeth? Who did that?
You pushing me.
Oh, did your mom punch her? Okay. Your mom punched her? Okay. Why were they fighting, do you know?
You fighting the blood.
So is that all? Did you see your mom spit on her, like, in her face? No.
Police determined the children were exposed to domestic violence and unsafe conditions due to intoxication and aggression.
But you did see her fight? You did see her punch her in the face? Yeah? Okay. Are you scared or anything? You're scared? Don't worry, you ain't gotta be scared, okay? Everything's good. Yeah? They cussed? So they were just saying bad words?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, buddy. We can come back over here with your mom.
Do y'all talk a lot normally, or is this the first time in like?
No, we've been talking for about, we've been back in communication for, I'll say, about a year or so.
Okay, but this is the first time that you've come up and seen them, I'm guessing?
No, I just came like 2 weekends ago.
Okay, that's why I was just trying to get a time frame.
I always, like, because I drive with MARTA, I work with MARTA Mobility, so I drive for a living, so it's nothing for me to drive an hour.
Or stop by, yeah.
I do it all the time, so it's just like, I just needed her to calm down, that's all. I just need her to be straight. I don't want to have to worry about when I leave, what's finna happen, you know, and even though when I leave, I'm still not finna let it weigh on me, but you know, there's gonna be a thought because the kids is who I care about, like, for real, like, I do everything because a lot of stuff they don't deserve, a lot of stuff, it's just the hand that's being dealt to them, and I just want shit to work out. That's why I try to be here as much as I can.
Right.
Because they love their TT, especially my oldest. That's all he knows is me. I'm taking care of him. Like,
well, she mentioned that. She said that you did a lot of help with him when he was younger. So she did say that.
And it's like, I'm young. I'm getting on the bus to go to school. Like, literally, I'm having to grow up way faster than any of these kids. These kids going to prom. These kids doing all of this, and I'm at home taking care of it.
Older sister.
Like, it don't make no sense. But it's just like, I don't be as somebody I used to look up to. Now it seems like in ways that she look up to me, like, and I don't like that. Like, you know, I don't want it to be like that, although it is like that. But it's hard, like, because I just don't want that. Like, I'm supposed to be going to my sister's house to have a chill night, to sit there and watch TV, whatever it may be. But I'm more so worried about the kids because you knocked out, or you finna do this, or you're not even paying attention because you're already so annoyed from everything.
The kids were present when all this happened, correct?
Yeah, they were around.
Okay. Are you sure you don't need a mess or anything? I don't want you to be feeling hurt or anything. And
no, I'm fine.
Sure.
I'm fine.
Look, I understand, okay? You know, you ain't the only person this happens to, okay? Trust me, this is our job, this is what we do, okay? There's a bunch of people that go through all this stuff, okay? You're not the only one. I understand how you feel, okay? I've had this done in the past, alright? Just right now, I just want you to try to breathe a little bit, try to relax for a little bit. All that's over right now, okay? Now we're here trying to get you to be straight, and them to be straight, everybody be straight, alright? I'm about to figure out what we're gonna do, alright? That cool?
Yeah, I just want her to be alright.
Yeah, everything's alright. I mean, you know, she's obviously been drinking.
The oldest nephew, the tall one, his daddy just called, he said.
Officers arranged for the children to be released to family members while determining custody and safety plans.
He's gonna come get him. I don't know if you want to let her know that or whatever.
Yeah, that's fine. Who are the other two kids?
Those are his sons. My other nephews, they twins, Jeremiah and Messiah.
Are they from like different dads?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the oldest has a different dad than the two.
So where's the other dad at? He ain't around.
I don't know where he is.
Hey, can you come inside real quick for a second? You can talk to them right there. They're good.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get your hands on your back.
Stand back for me.
Can I say bye to my kids?
I wanted to say.
Do you have anybody that can get your kids, or do you trust?
Well,
stay with the sister.
Go on.
I don't have nobody. I don't have nobody, sir.
Hey, you got anybody come get the kids? The other two kids? Because Corey is coming to get the big one. So
I don't have nobody, but I mean, I don't have my phone either.
Okay. So what are we gonna do about the other 2 kids?
I mean, where's the?
Because Corey's coming to get him right now. Okay, we already called. We already talked to him. He's coming on the way.
Where's
But
Khalil?
Who's Khalil?
What are my charges?
We'll figure that out in a little bit. Okay. Right now you're under arrest. Okay. We're trying to figure out where the kids are gonna go. If not, we're gonna have to call defense. Okay.
No defense, please, God.
That's what I'm trying to work with.
Please, God. Okay.
That's what I'm trying to work with. So, do you got anybody else to come get the kid?
I don't have my phone, but my phone is at my house. Okay. Are y'all willing to work with me, or what do I need to do?
Just give us a second, and we'll talk about that. Okay. But you do have somebody on your phone, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know.
What about your sister?
I mean, other than my sister, I do have my best friend Dee Dee, and she stays in Adairsville.
Okay. So, not your sister?
Well, are you good with your kids going with your sister or no?
I mean, my sister, she has her own life.
Well,
we have different daddies.
I just need a yes or no.
Yes or no.
I mean, do I trust her with my kids?
Are your kids good to go with your sister? Yes or no? I don't need this other side story. I just need a yes or no.
The mother is placed under arrest as officers explain mandatory arrest policies related to family violence.
Or no? If not, we're calling defense.
Yeah, I trust her.
She's saying the kids can stay with you. I didn't know.
So she's gonna be taken?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. And she's talking about the kids can stay with me. Like, I don't have no job. Like, I still get stuck with stuff no matter what. Okay, I'm at what charge? I'm like, what do y'all know what charge?
It'll be family violence, battery, and cruelty to children.
I wasn't trying to press no charges or anything.
That's just not how that works. When it comes to family violence, you don't have.
It's not you. It's the state. We don't have a choice when it comes to family violence.
So it's not you pressing charges, because that's the state of Georgia. That's just how family violence works over here.
So how did I know should be in there?
She'd have to see a judge in a little, probably tomorrow morning or something. I don't know. I don't work for the judge. You know, that's just something different.
It should be tomorrow around 2 o'clock.
All right, would you be able to tell me their names for all 3 kids and their date of birth?
Yes.
I'm gonna need his weight and stuff for Jeremiah. You know his height, how high he is? You don't know? You know his weight? You know his eye color?
His eye color is brown. Please don't put my kids in defects, please, sir.
Right. And then you don't know his weight or height? No? Okay.
Not off the bat.
What about for the younger one? No?
The mother was arrested and charged with battery and 3 counts of cruelty to children in the 3rd degree after officers determined the children were present during a physical domestic dispute and exposed to unsafe conditions. The children were released to family members while the case proceeds through the court system. Remember, substance abuse combined with parenting responsibilities can quickly escalate into dangerous situations for children. Domestic disputes in front of minors may lead to criminal charges regardless of family relationships. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Those kids were put in the middle of adult problems they shouldn't have to see. The sister was clearly trying to protect the children, not start a fight. Alcohol and parenting never mix. This could have ended much worse. You think the officers were out of options here? Watch what happens next on the body cam and tell us if you would have done the same. The next incident is when cops find parents passed out in hot car with suffering child.
When's the last time you used?
A couple days ago.
No.
On May 25th, 2023, officers responded to a hospital after reports of 2 adults appearing impaired while sitting in a parked car with a young child inside on a warm day.
There's a kid in the car?
Yeah, actually, male, female, it's a pit bull sleeping on the floor too.
Are they breathing?
They're breathing. There's both of them moving. She's got an orange cap sticking out of her pocket. Looks like a needle cap.
Step out. Step out. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
What's going on? You're reaching around your pocket.
You got him?
In your pocket.
Police observe concerning behavior and items in plain view, prompting officers to ask both adults to step out of the vehicle.
Take it in your pocket. Step out.
I got
Step
it.
out.
I have a bad hip, dude.
Get out of the vehicle. Stop putting your hand in your
I'm
pocket.
putting my hand in my pocket,
Put
dude.
your hand against that.
I have a bad...
Put your hand against that.
I have a bad hip. Now stop.
Watch yourself.
What is this? First of all, I'm going to read you guys' rights. You both have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not make any statements, make any comments. Do you understand?
Both adults are read their rights as officers identify signs of substance use and begin questioning their recent activity.
You guys have a kid in the back. What is in this? Don't lie to me.
There's nothing in it.
Okay.
It's mine. There's nothing in it. Why are you asking him?
When's the last time you used?
A couple days ago.
Okay. How long you been using?
About 8 months.
About 8 months?
Yeah.
Okay. You got an ID, ma'am?
I do.
Is it in the vehicle?
It is.
We're gonna need something for this kid and dog.
Babe.
What are you guys at the hospital for?
I brought him up here last night. God damn it, dude.
Have you ever been arrested?
Yeah.
For what?
Plenty of times. Everything you can think of.
This is the back of my hand.
Oh.
Go ahead and stand in front of your vehicle, please.
Babe.
One adult admits to ongoing substance use while officers assess the condition of the child and the environment inside the car.
What else is in the vehicle before I search?
I don't have anything. That's all I had.
Okay. Did you search him already?
No.
Okay.
I haven't found it down.
What's this right here? Your knife?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off right now, okay?
Oh my God.
Alright. How old's your kid? Hi. You doing okay? Yeah? Okay, let's get out of this vehicle, okay? There's some...
Officers safely remove the child from the vehicle and place her in a patrol car to cool down and remain supervised.
dangerous stuff in here. Come here, sweetheart. You wanna go sit in my car for a second? You ever seen a police car? Yeah? You wanna sit right here for a second? Alrighty. You want the doggy in here with you? Come on, puppy.
Hey, come on. Get up there with the girl. I love you, girl.
What else am I gonna find in this vehicle?
All thing I know is the whole bed right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all I got.
Well, you got a needle with some stuff in it, so what else will be in it?
There's nothing in it.
Do you have any possibly empty needles, anything in there?
No, I
Used
do not.
needles?
There's nothing in it either.
I'm gonna go through. A search of the vehicle reveals drug-related items and substances, raising concerns about child safety and supervision.
I don't care.
That's a good spot to hide that. So this is only used for...
Yeah.
Why is there crystal substance in it? Because the last I knew, drugs aren't crystally.
Look it over.
Yeah, do you see that?
No, I'm saying the container.
I'm going to test it. Is it going to test positive for...
I don't care if you test it.
I'm going to.
That's fine. Flip the thing that you got in your other hand.
Yeah, I believe that you also smoke, wax out of it, but there's also crystals in here too. I'll test it.
No. Wow.
Those are morels, right?
They do look like morel. That one does
They
anyway.
are dried up morale.
Yeah. When
We're
you
not
flip
no
that
big time dealers or users or nothing like that.
Hey, I'm gonna get her ID out, and then I'm gonna try to get home for his cousin. It's supposed to be about 3 hours away. Get the kids, the dog.
Officers discuss arranging a safe temporary placement for the child through a sober family member or child services.
Yeah, they're going.
Okay. I'm gonna start working on it.
Who is this cousin?
My cousin.
Male, female? Is she a user? She doesn't use? Okay.
What's her name? Angel?
Do you guys make your own wax?
No, that's donut residue.
Donut residue? Donut residue and 4 different bags that are...
Yeah, I had a lot
Yeah, she got a bunch of other marks.
Okay.
Is this your ID, ma'am? The paper one? You have a regular one? See her wallet? Just an empty purse here.
Let's see her wallet. This is gonna take a while to go through. If that cousin shows up and they look like they're out, can I just go ahead and do a CR33 form?
Yeah, we'll cover that when they get
When
here.
they get here, okay.
I mean, they're
I'm like
over 3 hours away.
3 hours away.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I said we need to get rolling on that because family services will take that long.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. Okay. I gotcha. So what got us into this predicament, guys?
My blood pressure was fucking with me last night.
What got us into this predicament? You know what I'm asking. Why am I here?
I think you were sleeping in the car. Yes, I was on it. But you had stuff sticking out of the pocket.
It has nothing to do with me sticking. I'm having anything sticking out of my pocket.
I got it, man. Because you passed out, motherfucker sticking it right out of your fucking pocket.
So you saw it sticking out of her pocket? What are you guys using to melt it with?
The adults provide inconsistent explanations as officers document hazardous conditions inside the vehicle.
I don't use anything. He doesn't. This is the
Where's the spoon at and stuff in here?
I don't use that.
Because I don't. You could save me a bunch of time just telling me. I already found a rock. Do you normally bang it or do you smoke it too? Is that what the pipes?
I do. I'm in the banger.
Okay. Does he smoke?
Yeah. I mean.
Okay. Is that true, sir? I said, do you smoke or do you bang?
I smoke.
Well, that pipe's got in it, man. So, you guys high right now? You lying? You guys got a kid in the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Car seat's not even in. Did you guys know that?
Yeah, I helped with her last night because she wanted to stretch out.
Were you guys sleeping here all night?
Yeah.
We don't have anything.
You don't have anything? Well, I found some.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
as far as, I don't know nothing about.
What do you think that is? It's a rock? Crystal? What is it?
I'm sure that's probably crystal.
What do you say it is, sir?
Probably Christian.
Okay. Whose is it? Not yours, not hers?
It's been a while since I seen that jar. I don't know.
Okay. Where's the rest of it at?
The rest of it.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't know there was more.
Do you have anything in your bra, ma'am?
I don't have nothing.
Okay. I'm gonna go test this stuff real quick, okay? You doing all right, sweetheart? Yeah? I'll get you a sticker here in a minute. What are you doing?
Police confirmed the substances found and determined that the child was placed at risk due to impaired caregiving.
Puppy? Yeah.
Ouch! Kind of crazy.
Oh, I know. Possession, paraphernalia, and endangering the welfare of a child since there is in reaching distance, method, and other controlled substances.
Okay.
Seatbelt being undone, rotten food in the back.
Yeah.
I'm talking about endangering.
I know that's the side, right?
The side, yeah.
Yeah. When you mentioned the seat and stuff.
Oh, I was just trying to. Yeah, I guess what you're saying is that doesn't matter because it's parked. Yeah.
Because it's a park.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. There you go. You can give that. All right, you guys are under arrest. Okay, possession, controlled substance, paraphernalia, and endangering the welfare of a child. Okay, I'm gonna let CD Children's Division know about this. Turn around, place your hands behind your back. You guys are gonna be with each other in the car, so come on. Let me turn around, please. The faster we do this, the faster I can get the paperwork in, the faster you guys get out.
You want the brown wallet?
Yes.
Your cell phone?
Yes.
And where's your phone, ma'am? You're gonna need it to make calls?
Can you just connect the fob to this right here?
Yep. Well, you probably need to start it. Keep it close. I think.
Watch out, just in case.
Yeah, well, absolutely.
Look at that. Chris.
There's nothing.
What part of the lifestyle was that?
This is the good stuff.
Yeah, there's the good stuff. You know, I'm trying. You guys years I've been trying to get in the program. I'm trying to get
You're
clean.
like seconds away from me freaking out. So just stop talking and we'll go, okay?
Trying and doing.
We're gonna go to jail.
Two different things. And that's the issue. You're trying. You're not doing.
Well,
It's up to you.
You have a baby girl.
I am.
A beautiful baby girl. I mean, she's gorgeous.
I know.
All right. Come.
Let's go. Come on.
I didn't lock it.
Then have a seat.
You guys married or just boyfriend and girlfriend?
Is that your guys' kid together? Yeah. Are you guys married?
That's her stuff.
Whose is this stuff?
That's all hers.
Oh, I don't need that pink wallet.
You don't need this?
The pink wallet? No. I have a green wallet in my purse, but that has ID, but I don't need it ID.
She says she doesn't need it.
Okay. That's the stuff he wanted. That's his Wi-Fi box. He said he rents from the library.
The adults were arrested on charges of possession of a controlled substance, possession of drug paraphernalia, and endangering the welfare of a child. Authorities notified Child Protective Services and arrangements were initiated to ensure the child was placed in a safe environment while the case proceeds. Remember, children rely entirely on adults for safety, especially in confined or high-risk environments. Substance impairment can quickly lead to legal consequences when child welfare is involved. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. That child was extremely lucky someone noticed in time. Seeing kids caught in situations like this is heartbreaking. Parents need help, but the child's safety has to come first. The tension is already high, or so it seems. What the body cam captures next saves a life pause and comment what you do here. The next incident is when police save little kids from extremely irresponsible mother.
I don't know what's
Don't apologize.
She's having a psychiatric episode.
Hey.
On April 15, 2023, officers responded to a parking lot after reports of a highly intoxicated woman sitting on the ground in the rain with multiple children present. Police identify the woman as Megan, who appears confused, heavily intoxicated, and unable to explain how she arrived at the location.
Hold in.
Okay.
Someone did. I don't know what's
They're inside? Okay. Who are you? Oh, that's her? Okay.
I just walked up.
Okay.
And grabbed this stuff out of the ground.
Okay, thank you. Hi. Des Moines Police.
Yeah.
What's going on today? What's going on with you today? Can you tell me your name?
Megan.
Megan?
Yeah.
Okay, why are you sitting on the ground, Megan? Where are you coming from, Megan? You don't know? Okay. Have you had anything to drink today, Megan?
Yes.
Yes? A lot? Like what?
Okay.
How did you get here? Is this your car? Yeah? Were you driving your car? Not today.
Witnesses report finding Megan on the ground, while store employees brought the children inside for safety.
Today? How'd your car get here then? That was today?
Yeah.
Did you just drive your car here?
No.
If you didn't drive your car, how'd you get your car here? Okay, we're gonna go walk to my car. I'll help you up. Come on. Okay, we're gonna stand up now. Come on, Megan. Let's stand up. Come on. We'll get you out of the rain. You gotta stand up for me. I don't know what I'm promising. You gotta get up. Okay? We're gonna go walk to my car. All right. We're walking this way, okay? Come on. Okay, Megan, take a seat for me. Slide your legs in. Did any of you guys see her driving the car?
I didn't. I was just filling gas over here when I...
Officers interact calmly, with the children confirming they are nieces, nephews, and children under Megan's care while their parents are away.
Around, she was on the ground, the kids were staying outside, and then they came over, and then the store rep came over and took the kids inside.
Okay.
And then I walked over here and she was on the ground.
Okay.
And that's all I seen.
Alrighty, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Is there anything I can do to help out?
No, I think you're good. I appreciate you stopping by, though.
Okay.
Hey guys, what are you eating?
Is that SpongeBob?
Heck yeah, it is.
Oh boy.
Alright, guys, these are our friends, right?
Police officer stickers.
I got your police officer one.
You can be just like us. See, it looks just like mine.
Look at this map.
Whoa. Does it have a name?
Yeah,
It's Mouse. I like that name.
police officer.
Yes, we are. Police officer. Yep.
My dad always drinks Diet Coke.
Yeah? Where's your dad at?
He's gonna say we were leaving. He's trying to find my mom.
He's trying to find your mom? Do you guys live with your dad or your mom? Do they live together?
No, these are our cousins.
Children explain that Megan had been acting strangely, speaking incoherently, and collapsed after exiting the vehicle.
That was their mom that was down there.
So whose mom is that out there?
That is their mom.
And that's your
that's
aunt?
Megan. Yeah, that's our aunt.
Like your aunt? Okay.
We took the sticker off it. So our parents are somewhere far away, going to a wedding, and
Okay.
our uncle was trying to contact with Megan, our aunt, but she was like having something wrong with her, because that's not how she usually. That's how we miss it. Look, she got the owie on this knee.
Who does?
My mom.
She does. How'd she get the owie on her knee?
When her fell down.
She fell down.
Yeah,
When-
she collapsed on it.
When did she fall?
She just came out of the car and then collapsed on the.
What were you guys doing before you came to here?
We were trying to drive to a hotel, but she was acting weird. She was trying to contact my uncle.
Megan admits to heavy alcohol consumption and is visibly unable to care for the children.
Gotcha.
But she couldn't because she was speaking weird.
What hotel were you guys going to?
I forget, but.
Does it have a pool?
Yeah.
What?
Outside. You can go outside and inside.
And inside?
Yeah, and outside.
It's too cold outside. It's raining.
There's an outdoor. And there's a hot pool for only grown-ups.
Whoa.
All right, Megan. So here's the deal. Obviously, you're extremely intoxicated, right? Right? Yeah. Who are those kids to you? Are they your kids? Yes. Okay. Do you live with anybody else?
Yes.
Who?
Husband?
Your husband? Has your husband been drinking today?
Yes.
He has been?
Officers attempted to locate a responsible adult and contact Megan's father to assume custody of the children.
Do you have any other family close? Megan, you gotta talk to me. Do you have any other family close?
No.
No? Do you have any good friends?
Yes.
You have good friends?
Yes.
Do they live close?
Yes.
Okay.
Brittany?
Anyone that you would trust watching your kids?
Oh my goodness,
Yes?
100%.
Okay. Who's that?
Brittany?
Brittany?
Yes.
Okay. Are we able to call Brittany?
Yes.
Do you know her number by heart?
Uh-huh.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna call Brittany, okay? What's Brittany's phone number? You said you know it by heart, right?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know it by heart. Okay, where's your phone? Can I look in your car for your phone?
Yes.
Okay. Can you find Brittany in your phone? Your dad was calling you. Does he live close?
Oh my God. Don't. Oh my God.
Okay. Let's call Brittany.
Brittany. No.
Does he live close?
Yeah.
He does?
Yeah.
Megan is placed under arrest for public intoxication after refusing a preliminary breath test.
Do it. Do your thing.
332. Hi, this is Officer Dykstra with the Des Moines Police Department. Who is this? Hello? Hello, is anybody there? All right, I'm going to try to call your dad, okay? Hello, this is Jim. Hi, Jim. This is Officer Dykstra with Des Moines Police. Can you hear me? I am. I can. Are you Megan's dad? I am. Where's she at? Okay, do you live in Des Moines? I do. Okay. Can you come to the Quick Trip at East 30th and University, please? Yes, she's okay. I just need someone to come take the kids, okay? Yes. How far away are you? 5 minutes. Perfect. You're extremely intoxicated, right? And what have you been drinking today? Like hard alcohol? Yeah. So right now, you're under arrest for public intoxication, okay? Yes. Would you like to submit to a preliminary breath test? Is that a no? Okay.
Hey, how old are you guys?
I'm 4.5. I'm 7. I'm 7.
7, 4.5.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
4.5. 3.5.
So your grandpa's coming to get you guys, okay?
Megan's father arrives, and officers explain the situation and charges while ensuring the children are safely transferred to the family.
Whose grandpa's coming?
I think it's their grandpa, but they know us.
Where?
We've been to their grandpa's school.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Are you going to the hotel? Yeah.
You're going to a hotel. Okay.
Yeah, but you know, I don't know. I think we might have to cancel it because we're supposed to go with Tim and Megan.
Yep, we're gonna go get your mom some help when you go with your grandma or your grandpa.
Hi, are you Jim?
Yes.
So she was found outside of her car, just absolutely hammered.
Let me see. The girls are probably freaking
Okay,
out.
they're not in there right now. They're inside.
Okay.
But so I'm just going to explain it to you, and then we can go inside and get the kids.
Okay.
She was outside. She said that she wasn't driving the car or anything like that. So I'm not really able to prove that she was driving the car this time. So she's not being charged with OWI, but she's getting charged with public intoxication and 4 counts of child endangerment. Okay.
Sure.
Does that make sense?
Yes,
Why
it
that
does.
would happen?
Damn
Okay.
right.
The woman was arrested and charged with 4 counts of child endangerment and public intoxication. The children were released into the care of a responsible family member, and a medical evaluation was arranged due to concerns about a possible psychiatric episode. Remember, severe intoxication can quickly escalate into criminal charges when children are placed at risk. Early intervention by bystanders and police can prevent serious harm to vulnerable children. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Those kids stayed so calm, heartbreaking to watch. Thank goodness someone called for help before it got worse. Mental health and substance abuse together can be extremely dangerous. Everyone thought it was too late, until the body cam shows the exact second officers step in. Did you predict that rescue? The next incident is when toxic grandma learns accountability after being caught hurting kid.
They got you on camera, grabbing like a little girl by the hair, pulling her down.
She has dementia. She probably didn't realize what she was doing. She kicked me. She's throwing books. I tried to stop her. What?
On September 20th, 2024, police respond to a public library after reports that a 79-year-old grandmother physically assaulted her grandchild. Surveillance footage allegedly shows her pulling the child by the hair, throwing her to the floor, kicking her, and striking her with a book.
Can I talk to you?
Sure.
How you doing? All right, Officer Passer, these kids. Do me a favor, just hang out here, and I'm gonna talk to you about something, but just give me a second, all right? So pretty much they got on camera. So the little girl here, the pink, was messing with the phone. Grandma's like, I need the phone. Grabs the phone from her hand. Walking towards the staff, grab her by the hair, throw her on the ground, and kicks her on the ground. And then she kicked the kid on the ground. So then the kid gets up, throws the books on the ground, and then she just comes and just like slaps the kid in the face. So I took her.
Officers explain that the entire incident was captured on camera. The grandmother initially downplays the behavior, claiming it was minor and that the child was misbehaving over a phone.
Video of it. And
I've seen them downtown before.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna talk to them and see. And I'm gonna be attacked too. Yeah, pretty much.
You made it sound a lot worse.
I mean, she shouldn't have grabbed the kid by the hand and pulled her to the ground, but she just tapped her with her foot. Well, she just hit her in the head with a book.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's like more than just, you know.
Yeah.
Does the little kid have any
I haven't folks like that.
disability?
I haven't got to all that. I was gonna do all that now, but I just gonna do the whole. You guys stand by, hang out.
Okay.
The little girl's the one here, right? Okay. What's your name?
Huh?
Can I talk to you over here? Let me just talk to you over here. She has dementia? Okay. All right. So what happened earlier?
Nothing I know. They were good. They were fine.
What happened with the girl in the stroller?
Nothing. She was crying. That's about it.
I know.
Okay.
What happened was I was trying to find something.
No.
The grandmother repeatedly denies responsibility, suggests the child acted up, and implies the force used was justified. Family members mention possible dementia, though no documentation is immediately provided.
She said what happened to her.
I was trying to work something on the computer.
Mm-hmm.
So I
I don't know exactly what happened there, but I know that probably acting up because she doesn't like when somebody takes the phone away from her.
She
So
got
at that
upset.
point, I don't know what happened because I was at the computer.
Okay, so pretty much they got you on camera, grabbing the little girl by the hair, pulling her down.
No, yeah.
You do
Yeah.
EK little kick, okay, towards her, and then you slap her in the face after she threw the books down. Okay, they got it on footage as well. So that's what I'm like. Is that how you guys discipline kids?
No.
Like what is?
She has mentioned she probably didn't realize what she was doing. I was at the computer. The other two were over back. But she usually shouldn't do that. I don't know why you kicked her.
But she kicked me.
But she's
I
a
didn't
kid.
hurt her.
she's a kid.
I tried to stop her.
Yeah. But there's always ways to do so without having to literally just throw in a little hit in the.
Officers clarify that regardless of age, stress, or discipline style, physical violence, especially kicking and striking a child, is unacceptable and illegal.
Okay, you know what I mean? Do you have an ID? Do you have an ID?
I do have my ID, but I don't. Did you bring your father? No. You never bring your ID.
How old are you?
79.
79?
Something like that.
Who usually watches the kids?
Me.
Okay.
I'm like my daughter, and also home. So in a situation where I'm kind of watching them over them, temporary custody, but they didn't get to do that yet because as soon as I was about to get them to do all the issue, they so we have. Haven't been able to get a hold.
So you're caring for all these kids, yeah?
Hey, stop it. Can you please stop?
And they're nice. Good. It's the first time they said
And then all because she needed the phone?
she was having a, I guess she was having a screaming fit and almost threw the book. I don't know why.
She got mad.
Yeah, but don't push the straw.
All right. You guys do want her trespass? All right. Have you ever had an ID out of here?
Huh?
Out of Florida? ID?
Who?
ID? Have you ever had one here in Florida?
No.
No? Where you from?
Long Island.
Long Island? See IDs in Long Island? You never got one here?
No, I didn't.
All right.
Yeah.
That makes sense why I can't find you. All right. Hang on me over here. I'm just away from everybody. Come on. So my thing is, do you often come to the library?
Do I?
Do you often come to the library?
We
with the kids
don't come that much.
Okay. What is your relationship? Like, I'm trying to understand that.
We're all family.
I get you're all family. But
They're my
what are you?
grandson. Yeah.
You the great grandma? What are you, grandma? Who's the woman here?
Huh?
Who's the woman here? Who
That's
is?
She's not around.
She's not around.
No.
So I want to show you what they showed me, okay? And I want to let me know if you think this is reasonable when you look at this.
The officer reviews the video evidence with the grandmother. She appears surprised by how severe her actions look on camera, but continues to justify them as attempts to stop the child.
Well,
this is grab by the hand.
Oh no, I tried to grab her hand. I didn't know. Then I let it go right away. Because I realized.
Look at that. Sergeant?
She's throwing books. I tried to stop her.
Okay, but stopping her
I know.
and hitting her by the side of the head is not the way to go.
I know.
Especially as she's a young kid. I get we all grew up differently. We're all, disciplined different ways. But this is not how we discipline a child. You're going far. You're pretty much being excessive at that point. You understand what I'm trying to say? So, all right, how are you guys? You guys have a car? Not you, but do they have a car?
We don't know where she is. I don't.
And how did you end up having the kid?
She gave it to her. I don't know what happened to her, where she went.
Have you ever been arrested here in Florida?
Huh?
Have you ever been arrested here in Florida?
No.
No? So you have there's nothing, no records of you, no nothing?
I didn't put something up.
Investigation reveals unclear custody arrangements. The child's mother is reportedly absent, and the grandmother claims temporary care responsibilities.
But the kid pretty much belongs to the other. who gave it to, which is the other female here, to watch. We don't know whatever happened to mom. She doesn't know whatever happened to mom.
Whether that's true or not.
Hey, sweetheart. Can I take a look at your face?
She don't want to talk. She's too busy to
She don't talk when she plays. She likes to play.
Here you go. I'm taking mom. She's coming with me.
Where?
To jail.
Why?
Okay? Because of what happened. They got footage. It doesn't look good. And that's not how you
You don't
discriminate,
get
okay?
ice cream then.
So
How long is
I'll
this
give you
gonna-
my ice cream.
she'll have a bond. She'll have a bond. So
Because I can't bond her out. I don't
I
have
can
they'll let her go.
So how long does she be?
Officers examine the child for injuries and notify family members that the grandmother will be taken into custody. Child Protective Services DCF is informed.
There. Overnight.
She'll have a bond. So whenever you guys get bond her out,
How much is the bond usually?
I don't know.
And how do I find out about it?
Orange County Jail.
You will get ice cream.
Just go to Orange County Jail and they'll explain everything to you, okay? And then, of course, I'm going to notify DCF, let them know what's going on. But next time, I understand your mom has dementia, but the way that it was handled poorly. All right, Emil?
Can we go to the park? Man,
Stop. They have to take you to jail. For what?
Yep.
I am too
I know. I don't want to do it in front of the kids, so just in the fairness go, yeah, I don't want to do it in front of the kids. Okay?
Why?
I understand, I get it. It's just because of how it's handled, okay? You did.
There's different ways to punish children. Kicking them when they're on the ground or hitting them with a brick is not it. Do you have anything on you that'll poke or prick me? Here, face the wall. Do you have anything on you that'll poke or prick me?
No.
No. Here, what in your stance? Is that the name she gave you? Janet.
Pretty sure. Yeah, Jenna Rizzo, yeah. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
All right. Be careful, watch your step.
The grandmother was charged with child abuse based on clear surveillance footage and witness statements. Despite claims of dementia and disciplinary intent, officers determined the force used was excessive and unlawful. The case was referred to the court system, and Child Protective Services was notified to evaluate the child's safety and future custody arrangements. Remember, age stress or family status never excuse violence against a child. Discipline must never cross into harm. Surveillance and witnesses mean accountability applies to everyone, regardless of intent or excuses. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Being old doesn't give you a free pass to hurt a child. The video says everything. If she can't control herself, she shouldn't be responsible for kids simple as that. That officer handled it professionally and calmly, even with all the excuses. You think this call can't get worse? The BodyCam captures the exact second officer's Russian comment, if you felt that spike. The next incident is when police find mom with 2 kids stranded in hot desert for 9 hours.
We got stuck. And my phone went off.
I heard the baby crying from up here. Did you guys run out of water or just got too tired to get to it?
I let them have it. I wasn't drinking it.
How long have you been stuck?
It took like 8 hours to call 911. It wouldn't call. I mean, they're always safe. They're never unsafe. I don't really want them staying in the hospital. I don't know. Like this.
Officers respond after reports of a baby crying deep in a remote desert area during extreme heat. A woman and her 2 young children are found stranded after their vehicle became stuck with no reliable cell service. The officer locates the family on foot. The mother states they had been stuck for approximately 8 to 9 hours. The children are exhausted, partially undressed, and exposed to high desert temperatures.
Approximately 200 yards west of Granite Dells, past the turnoff for the Cypress Trail. I'm hearing what sounds like a child crying to the northwest. I'm on foot. Gotcha. Hi. Hey, you called 911, huh? Hi, guys.
We got stuck. And my phone went off.
We got you, though.
For 9 hours.
Do you feel like you can walk? If the answer is no, it's okay.
I can walk. Can't carry somebody and walk.
All right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You're not far from my vehicle. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to bring fire. Do you mind drinking after me?
No.
Sipping for the kids, not chugging, right?
Emergency responders provide water and begin evacuating the children first. Officers immediately expressed concern that the children should never have been in this environment, especially during a heat warning.
I'm gonna be right back, okay, guys? I'll be right back. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna hurry, okay? Follow this trail down to the left. You see a car, that's her. Okay. You see one car, go around. Okay. I'm good. She's up, but she's exhausted, so I'm not dragging her. She had water? Yep, I gave her mine. Ooh, shade, there we go.
So we'll come back for her and the other child.
Okay.
Yeah, this may be a CPS thing. They should be out here. It's kind of a...
I don't disagree.
Yeah.
Do you want me up there to guide them, or do you want me to just wait here?
Because I need to direct the engine into where we're at.
That's fine. I'll stand up there and I'll walk them up.
Okay.
Can they make it?
No, I'll just have them. I'll transport it to the road.
Sure. Yeah. They can make it to where I am, I bet you. So there's child endangerment charges. That's a felony. There's reporting her to CPS, or DCS now, sorry, to see if there's a pattern and to establish. So if this happens again, next.
Officers discuss child endangerment concerns and confirm the situation will be reported to DCS Child Protective Services to determine whether this is an isolated incident or part of a larger pattern.
Year or in a week. Hey, she's clearly disregarding the kids' safety. Those are camper scissors. They're just broken. It looks like they were trying to drive a car back there that they shouldn't have been taken out there. It got stuck, so she was outside of the car. Both kids were in only underwears, and she's awake, but clearly had some heat exposure. Rick is like, I'm gonna report this to DCS. I'm like, yes, absolutely, I will do the same. But once they get back here and I can guide them back, make sure no one gets lost, I'll try to ID her. I'll run the plate of the vehicle and all that. Did she give you her name? I need to find out if she's Tiffany Baldini.
She didn't give me her name. I believe I said Tiffany, and she said yes, but I'll double check.
So she may lose her kids. So I'll go out there, I'll follow behind, I'm gonna run her plate, I'm gonna see if we can get her ID and find out what, if she was out here camping, staying, out for a joyride, or what.
Yeah, she's camping.
Okay.
So she's got the tent, all her stuff scattered. Yep. Her car is eye-centered and stuff.
Yep. Investigation reveals the mother attempted to camp in the desert without sufficient water during extreme heat, with a disabled vehicle leaking fluid and a flat tire. Officers question whether the situation was recreational camping or related to homelessness.
She's leaking fluid, she's got a flat tire. I asked her, and she says, yes, we were setting up camp.
Fair enough. And it's been 100 for weeks, and we have a high heat. There was a warning that came out this morning to everyone on the Hill County Band.
That's what I told her. She wanted to stay. I said, no, you need to come out because you can't.
She wanted to stay?
Yeah, she's like, well.
With the kids?
Like, yeah.
Thank you. So can you mention that in your DCS report, please?
Yeah.
Rick Winton?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want to ride with me out there? Or you...
Please, can we both squeeze in?
Yeah, come on.
Hop in, boss. Because both these kids are going to wind up with...
She says, well, I'm good. I mean, she wasn't adamant, but it was still to the point. I said...
911 was, I'm going to pass out.
Yeah, she said she was on the verge of passing out.
And I didn't hear her call for help. It was the kid crying. All right. Whew.
Pretty sure my 2-year-old said, hi, homie.
Hey, bud. Oh my goodness. Should have been playing with that, buddy. That would have been a great way, because that's what I heard. I heard the baby crying from up here. My tracking system was not that good.
They have very loud cries, that's for sure.
And then I'm thankful for Rick there. He told me to check this area, so well, I don't know if I would have heard you guys. Were you guys camping, or were you trying to drive through?
Well, we were...
Or both?
Yeah, both. We were camping. I kept getting stuck, so I was trying to back up to go forward.
Sure.
But
all right, ma'am, are you ready?
Yeah.
Did you guys run out of water, or just got too tired to get to it?
I mean, we had water and juice. Like I said, they were drinking it.
Okay.
I let them have it. I wasn't drinking it, so
sure.
I was getting dizzy.
I got you. Careful, watch your footing here. I'm just going to walk alongside.
Medical staff emphasize that children can appear stable before suddenly crashing due to dehydration or heat exposure. Plans are made to transport the children to the hospital for observation.
But I just got stuck and we ran out, and I was like, it's too far to walk with them.
How long have you been stuck?
It took like 8 hours to call 911. It wouldn't call.
Yeah, you're lucky you got through it all. I'll be behind you just in case. How do they look?
They look okay, but kids, until we get them checked out, they can look okay for a long time, and then they tank.
Exactly. Okay, we're going to be pursuing it, but for right now, I don't want to get in the way of her agreeing to all their care.
We're going to try to convince her to go to the hospital.
Please and thank you. If she says no, I think we have grounds to push it, obviously.
We'll just tell her finally with the kids, and hey, they've been out here a while, kids can compensate a long time. We want to make sure that dehydration, because little kidneys don't function, they can take a hit, so we'll get them to the hospital.
I might might be mixing it up, but didn't there used to be a saying with kids like compensate, crash or something like that?
Yep, exactly. That's exactly what it is.
All right.
And
So
the other side of that too is you give her Russ Motherford license, she doesn't follow it.
I'm right here. I won't interfere. I'll let you guys sweet talk them. You guys are way better at that than I am. But if you need me to do something else, all you gotta do is look at me and wave me over. All right? And I can believe spotty service out there, especially. But again, 8 hours of water for a camping trip.
So is this a camping trip or is this a homeless trip? That was one of the questions.
I would lean towards homeless, but regardless, even if we're going best case scenario, she said both we're out for a drive and we're camping, and there was a campsite partially set up. She did.
The mother insists her children are always safe and resists hospital admission. Doctors explain they cannot discharge children without a verified safe living plan, especially given homelessness concerns.
Not enough water. Yeah, period. So, like I said, I won't push this if I don't have to right now. If she'll agree to all the medical care, I'll talk to Joni. We'll figure out what we're going to do, because I don't want to cause any roadblocks to the kids getting care. Sorry, that sounds crazy. Tiffany? Hey. I know, you're fine. Don't worry about that. I want to get a hold of you. So it sounds like the DCS guy, I should know his name. I'm sorry, I forgot his name. Rice, thank you. It sounds like you may have a solution. I guess you have a friend in Rye?
Yeah, Royce is cool. I like Royce.
So it sounds like he's like, I will go get a van and get them a ride there now. So we're going to talk to the doctor, see what we can get squared away for you, because the plan is always just trying to find a safe plan for you guys, okay?
Thank you.
Are you able to come talk to Royce so you can see if we can get that squared away?
Yeah, I gave him all the information and everything. That's why.
It sounds like they're good, but I think we need to clear everything between you, him, and the doctor if you're available.
Yeah.
Thanks. Someone told me it was like 119 in Phoenix the other day.
It was, so my coach just came from Raleigh, California.
Yeah.
And it was 121 there.
That.
I know, it's way too hot.
That's absurd. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. That's way too hot.
So, let me know of a plan of action that we could do that would include...
We don't live there.
No, I know.
Okay. I'm not going to go back in the woods. I was just actually calling and seeing if somebody can come get us, because I don't want to take them out to get my car. I don't even know what's wrong with my car. It's something, I think it has a flat tire, like it's...
Well, I just didn't know if we needed to get something to get
being crazy.
We do have friends that we go stay with. I had a hotel room the other night. Last night we stayed with one of our friends. I'm just waiting for in the living room.
I know.
There's nothing here.
Like, as far as today goes, I just wanted to make sure that we had a plan. That I knew you guys were going somewhere safe, you know?
Yeah. I was just trying to get.
Could you let me know? If you can, and then, because I'd like to do that plan from here.
No worries, I appreciate that.
No worries, just let me know.
Okay.
If you need work on something.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have they ate anything?
So they did. They had a camera going.
Let's not step on that, okay?
Do you guys have anything that we could get them? Like a sandwich?
Yeah. They got food now that they were hungry. They let you know they're hungry.
I'll go grab. But if there's like,
See the hat?
they have like fruit juices and stuff, and can they eat like?
See the hat? Anything and everything. Okay. They love spicy.
So, I guess you're aware there's like some questions about like your home situation and social concerns. I talked about the conflict teacher, and she thinks the best way to figure this all out, because I guess previous reports and stuff is she would just admit them over there and keep them here, or keep an eye on them, or figure this all out and get some more answers.
They get some more answers for what?
Just in regards to getting a safe plan for them to move forward.
I mean, they're always safe. They're never unsafe. I don't really want them staying in the hospital.
So my concern is that we don't have a safe plan when we go home to leave, especially if you're like living out in the desert.
It's dirty. We don't live in the desert, and they're always safe. I make sure.
Authorities attempt multiple alternatives: friends, transportation, shelter options to avoid escalation. Despite these efforts, no confirmed safe placement is established.
We're safe. I don't take them anywhere shady or weird or...
Sure. So the problem is you're homeless, so you don't have a set residence. I'm not saying that all the evidence for everything I told the police and the fire and the medical team is that you have been living out of your car.
Sometimes.
And I get it, you're in a tough
we're
spot.
safe though, like it's not. What's the difference between a carving lot and a motorhome or...
Quite a bit actually. Okay, it's actually not safe to spot when you're just looking at your car.
I mean, you don't sleep, or are you forcing me to keep them?
If you try to leave them right now, you're going to take custody of them.
That's not okay.
I'm not trying to be difficult.
Is there a solution going forward?
Yeah, we're going to work out one, but I think this is the safest. we're gonna have some out tonight in the morning and come up with a plan for this.
They're pretty much on me that you're taking my kids.
If you want to escalate it to that point, then you'll be forced to. I don't want to.
I know, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying.
So he's trying to find every solution to try and get around that. That's basically what's happening here. He's bending over backwards to try and make sure that doesn't
No,
happen.
I'm not arguing or disputing it. I'm just trying to understand.
Sure.
So here's the concern, right? So I'm a doctor. I take care of kids.
Hey.
If I have a kid brought in and I'm concerned that there's not like a safe home situation, and they're homeless, and you have a safe place to go, then I have to consider whether or not it's safe for them to be discharged. In this case, when you don't have a home, I talked to like DCS or previous open reports, we don't know the details of those.
Yeah.
My concern, from my perspective and from a legal perspective, is I have to make sure that there's a safe discharge. And right now I don't have one. So legally, I can't let you leave with them.
But I thought she said that she was looking for us.
So
That was one of the options, but it sounds like that's not an option. They've been trying to find one, but
I know, because I have 4 kids. They're like,
something like that.
the other 2 are
But I can tell you, we've been trying to find non-traditional solutions. We've been trying to find everything we can. We're not trying to jump to the most horrible solution possible. I can promise you that. You don't have any reason to believe what I'm saying, but I promise you people are trying to bend over backwards to try to figure out something here, okay?
No, I believe you're sincere.
And it's probably a lot to process, but this is a safe place. It's got air conditioning, it's got food.
They get that too. I don't ever have it in a safe place.
Right. And so
nobody's accusing you of trying to harm your children.
I don't think that you are.
I just want to make sure that we get a plan because I'll be honest, I just don't think it's a great solution to just say, okay, they're fine.
Sorry, let me get it.
You can go, then we still, I don't know where they're going, you know what I mean?
So.
Assuming they're going with their mom, which is the best support.
Right.
You're more than welcome to stay with them in the hospital.
Please do.
We're just going to have other people weigh in and keep them here for a little while, okay?
A little while.
The situation escalates as officers determine the children were placed in serious environmental danger. The mother becomes highly distressed as arrest becomes imminent.
Okay, and then tomorrow you don't.
So tomorrow it will be Dr. Hunt. She's very nice. She's their local pediatrician. Sounds like you know of her. She's gonna come in and she'll see them and she'll talk to them.
Okay, come on. Thanks.
Then we'll work everything out, okay?
Hi. Come over here. Hi. Come over here. Come over here. Okay, thanks.
So I'm gonna make some phone calls and get everything out.
So take it for this, take it for one night, okay? And you're gonna talk to some folks, you're gonna go over some stuff, maybe they do a safety plan, whatever, and they go from there, okay? No one's snatching them kids away. What we wanna do is make sure they're safe, okay? I've been through a thing like this before. My kid got his, it was a little different, but he got his arm stuck under his mattress and yanked it and pulled his elbow up. Well, that looks like you yanked your kid's arm, right? So we had about 2 days of really bad questions. And it was crazy, but let's go with the process. Take a minute. This is stressful. This is gonna be a 10 out of 10 stressful right now, right? Breathe. Hey, but don't, you're gonna hit your head again. Let's not hit our head. Can you climb up here for me? I don't want to take away. Come here. Oh my gosh, come here. You sit for me? Thank you. Okay, fine. Let's not fall though, okay? Thank you, mister. Put your feet down. Stand up. Stand up. Thank you. All right. Let me see if I can get you some tissues because those things are like sandpaper, okay? Let me see what I can get you. No, Bob. Come on. No, she's got it. Thank you. Stay right there. Thank you. We have a tissue box.
Are you crying?
She is. Here's this, man. I'm sorry. There you go. All right, Tiffany.
The mother is taken into custody. Officers calmly explain the arrest is based on the totality of circumstances, not intent, and reassure her that the children's safety is the priority.
Go and stand up for me.
Why?
Because you're going to be placed under arrest.
Why?
Put your hand behind your back.
Why?
Child.
Why child abuse?
Because you place your children in danger.
No, I didn't. When?
So we'll discuss that later, but right now, we're going. Okay? We're coming with you. Turn left. We're going this way, Tiffany.
Why?
We'll discuss it in a minute. Right now, we're going to the car, so you're not out here in front of folks. Okay, I want you to turn your face to the hood of my vehicle for me. Don't touch it, it's hot, okay? Stop right here, thank you. Scoot your feet apart. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, cut me, make me bleed, make me sick? Nothing?
No.
All right, thank you. Bring your hands away from your back for me. Thank you. Are you wearing an underwear bra?
I'm wearing a bra.
Okay, is there anything inside of it?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you this part because I have to tell everyone, okay?
Okay.
If you bring anything in my vehicle or in the jail that I did not find, any weapons, any, even that's legal, you can catch a felony. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So nothing like that is on you.
I don't have anything.
Okay, we're gonna come sit here and then we'll talk. Now, turn around, back in there. Nice and easy. Watch your head. Okay, back in there. Put your feet in. Now listen. Based on the totality of circumstances, all the evidence presented to us, the condition the kids were found in and where they were found.
Officers document the scene, the stuck vehicle camping gear, lack of water, and hazardous terrain. The children are placed under protective care while the case proceeds.
You were being placed under arrest for child with regard to the condition they were in and what they were exposed to. You don't have to agree with that, okay? You're going to see a judge, and the kids are going to be safe. You will be communicated with, okay?
Okay.
What I want you to do, even though you're probably at a 10 out of 10 on stress right now, and that's understandable, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Breathe, okay?
I don't know. My kids are hurt.
I understand, and then we're not, and I'm not saying we're there, but this is, we're going right now.
I'm so
I know.
scared. I've never been arrested.
And I understand that. What I want you to do for me is try breathing for a bit, okay? I gotta close the door for a second, all right? Thank you. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What? So, listen, we're gonna take it a step at a time. We're not leaving town. We're going right here across the street. You're gonna get booked in. They're gonna ask you a bunch of questions for processing purposes, okay? The jail staff will not ask you questions about crimes, okay? All right, you will see a judge. Now, tomorrow's Friday, so I'm assuming that means 1 in the afternoon, but we'll confirm with them because they know better than me, okay? Not tonight, no. Your kids are going to be safe, okay? You've got people from probably 4 different agencies bending over backwards to try to make sure your kids are safe, okay? Who has you concerned? Just jail in general?
I'm not a child.
They don't need to know what's going on. They're not going to say, "Oh my gosh, what's your papers?" Like you're in county or in prison, okay? This is just a holding area. This is not what you see on TV. This is a place you sleep until they get you in to see a judge. That's it. Okay. Listen, I get being in a hard place, but right now this is where we're at, okay? So focus, listen to what they say. Remember, the jail staff does not make any decisions with regard to charging, okay? And we'll take it a step at a time. Okay. Careful, this is going to try and trip you. Watch your feet. Get your feet out first. When we go through the door, watch your step. Everyone trips on that little red step, okay?
Quick question for you, though. You need nice or anything like that. You need anything for me, even if it's because if you walk through this door and I find it's a class 2 felony. All right, come on, it's quick step.
All right, so we're out in the wooded area past Granite Dells. Had to take some side streets to get here on a side-by-side. The tent is over here to my right, and then the vehicle is down here. We're gonna walk down here where the car is. Looks like there's some ruts and stuff where the vehicle may have been stuck for a little bit. This is the area of the car. Looks like it may have gotten high-centered on a rock. Not much room in the car, lots of stuff.
I was driving in
yesterday.
I'll show you when we go out, but I've been noticing these symbols, and they look red like sheep.
Like the little markers, almost.
Yeah, they're like on bigger rocks, like they're on this trail coming in.
The woman was charged with 2 counts of child abuse, child endangerment, related to prolonged exposure of her children to extreme desert heat without adequate resources. Authorities emphasized the decision was based on environmental danger, lack of preparation, and absence of a confirmed safe living plan. The children were placed under protective care, and DCS was notified to assess custody living conditions and long-term safety. Remember, extreme environments require planning. Children depend entirely on adults to assess risk correctly. Good intentions do not cancel dangerous decisions when child safety is compromised. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. She didn't mean harm, but that was still incredibly dangerous. 9 hours in desert heat with kids and no water is terrifying. Respect to the officers and doctors for trying every option before arresting her. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Law Zone for more content.